could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Sachi of Such a Lifestyle, and if this is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my videos. You're the real MVP, you know what it is. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this flawless makeup look. This is perfect for summer. If you're going for lunch with the girls, if you're going out with bae, you can always rock and slay this look. If that's something you'll be interested in, then make sure you watch this video to the end. Be sure to like this video, put a comment down in the comment section and engage with me. Share this video if it's helpful to you and it's going to be helpful to somebody else. I'm going to list all the products that I used in this video down in the description, so make sure to check that out. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. The only thing I've done off camera is my skin prep. And I think you should try it if your makeup separates on your nose. It's going to really help you. And I also do this process for the top of my lips because that's also a sweaty area. Next up is to prime. For primer, we're going to be using this Corns primer. So I'm going to take that and apply that everywhere except under my eye. So guys, now that is done, the next thing I'm going to do is apply foundation. I'm going to be mixing two foundations together. This is Zikel Even True High Definition in the shade Mocha number 25. This is V Beauty Total Coverage Matte Foundation. This is the shade Gingerbread. Before I go ahead to blend out with the blending brush, I am going to use my setting spray. This is a baby fixer setting spray. It's almost done, as you guys can see. I'm going to reswap very soon. I like this because it gives you a dewy finish. I'm going to be using two highlighters. First highlighter is from Flawless IV. This is in the shade 407, and I am also going to be using this Zikel Second Skin in the shade Honey. Flawless IV for my inner corners. I'm going to let that sit for a while I go ahead to contour my face. So I'm going to go ahead and blend out my contours first before I blend out my highlight. Now you don't want that contour to leave that particular area. Are you guys seeing this? I love this. This is the perfect shade for my contour. I'm not a fan of liquid contouring. I usually just use powder. On a normal day, I'll use powder to contour my face and I'm looking fast. But guys, this is coated. This is going to be the new normal because what? This is the holy grail. This is even the perfect shade for my skin. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend out the rest of my highlights. And mind you, I'm not going away from the perimeter where I want the highlights to be. Guys, make sure you're light-handed while you're blending. I know we're losing sunshine, but I just hope that you guys can still see me. So at this point, guys, I'm contouring my nose. I don't really do too much, but today I'm in the mood to do too much, so we're doing too much. So it's the same shade of contour I use for my cheekbones that I am also using. So now that all my blending is done, the next thing I'm going to do is apply some blush. I'm going to be using this big palette. I'm going to be using this orange shade right here. You can see this. Now, because I've lost a little bit of highlight here, I'm going to be using this Zikel second skin to sort of like brighten a bit more. Guys, now that I'm done blending that out, I'm going to set with this setting powder. This is Merak Cosmetic Setting Powder in the shade Ginger, by the way. Use this powder to set my highlighted areas. So guys, I'm going to be using this palette by This That Girl to set my blush. I went ahead to do my brows off camera. Take this eyeshadow primer by Classic. So I'm taking this eyeshadow palette by Amazing Pebble. I'm taking this Noble shade. I'm going to go in with this palette by Coco Urban. I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm going to just pat that on my eyelid because I want a more pigmented outcome. I'm going to use the Merak setting powder to define that eyes. I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. I'm going to be using this gel liner by Beauty by ABS. Then I'm going to line all the way to my inner corners. So I'm going to take this Dove eyeliner. It's a pen liner. I like this liner because it's so precise and it dries almost anything. I know they're not brothers, but they look like friends. The next thing I'm going to do is to line my waterline, and for that I'm going to be using the Merak charcoal lining pencil, the darkest pencil on the market, according to my favorite girl, Aifa. It's really the darkest pencil on the market. It makes a whole lot of difference. Now look at this. Now look at this. Guys, we're almost done. I'm going to apply mascara now. I'm going to come back. I'm going to blend it together. Last thing I'm going to do is my lips, guys. We're coming to the end of this video. Now for my lips, I'm going to first of all start by lining it. I'm going to take guys. So there's something your makeup artist won't tell you, all your beauty influencers won't tell you this, but you need to set your lipstick with the same color of eyeshadow or powder, whatever you have. If you're using a nude lip, I use a powder, but I'm going to use eyeshadow to set my lips. Now it's the same eyeshadow I applied on my lids that I'm going to be using. This one, Chester. I'm going to take the shade of baby pink. I think LA Colors High Shine or something. I don't know. This is just a cheap lip gloss I got off the shelf. Now, last but not the least, we're going to go into this Yanga Beauty's Candy Glow in the shade kporkish. I don't know if people still use this brush to apply highlighter. It's been a while I saw anybody use it, but this is what I have. So, guys, you don't need too much of this thing. Trust me, just a little bit goes a long way. And the higher you highlight, the better for you. Please don't highlight down. You don't apply it where you don't need it. Just, can you guys see this? Like, I am super loving it. I am really loving it. It just enters into your skin. This one is just literally blending into my skin. I am in love with this. I didn't know my camera went off, so the last thing I did was to seal this makeup with this Coco spray, and this is what it looks like.
You were anything but original. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything.